Okay, Hare Krishna Mataji, we will start the session now.
Jai Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, please accept our humble obeisances.
Please accept my obeisance. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Jai.
Okay, we will start the session with auspicious prayers. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Tato Kshara Samamnayam Asrajat Bhagwanajah Antasthushma Swarasparsha Rishvadirghadilakshanam Krishnavarnam Tisha Krishnam Sangopangastra Parshadam Yajnaiha Sankirtana Prayayir Yajantihi Sumedhasah Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhyev cha पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय।
Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा जी में माता जी। So we will
Sorry,
start the
I
recitation.
couldn't attend for last 2 days. There was kirtan in the temple, and yesterday I went to the hospital with my mom. So
Okay,
sorry
no
for the
problem.
inconveniences caused.
No problem, Mataji. I will record those. I have shared that session, recorded session, and I will record
Okay.
this audio also. The slokas and audio file also I will send today or tomorrow.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Okay. So, Camilla Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.22. Ato vai kavayo nityam
Ato Vaikavayo Nityam
bhaktim paramaya muda
Bhaktim Paramaya Muda
vasudeve bhagavati
Vasudeva Bhagavati
kurvantyatma prasadanim.
Purvantyatma Prasadanim.
Yes. Please recite the synonyms in translation.
Ataha, therefore, yea, certainly, Kavayaha, all transcendentalists, Nityam, from the immemorial, Bhakti, service unto the Lord, Paramaya, supreme, Muda, with great delight, Vasudeva, Shri Krishna, Bhagavati, the personality of Godhead, Kurbanti, do render, Atma, self, Prasadanim, that which enlivens. Translation by His Divine Graces, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Certainly, therefore, since time immemorial, all transcendentalists have been rendering devotional service to Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead, with great delight, because such devotional service is enlivened to the self.
Hare Krishna. Yes. Ishupnishad Mataji, could you please recite the sloka after me? Hare Krishna. Ishupnishad Mataji, are you there?
Yes. Haribol. Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Please recite after me.
Mhm.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.23. Sattvam Rajastamaiti
Sattvam Rajastami Iti
Prakriteirgunastairyuktah
Pakritir Pakrite Ganasthar Yukta
Parah Purusha Ek Ihasya Dhatte
Paraha Purasha Eka ihasya date,
स्थित्यादये
stitya daye,
हरिविरिञ्चि हरेति
hari virinchi, hareti,
संज्ञाः
samyaha,
श्रेयांसि तत्र खलु
shreyamsi tatra kalu,
सत्त्वतनोर्नृणां स्युः
sattva tanor nirnam shahu.
सत्त्वतनोर्नृणां स्युः. Yes, Mataji. Please recite the synonyms and translation.
Jai. Sattvam, goodness. Rajaha, passion. Tamaha, the darkness of ignorance. Iti, thus. Pakrite, of the material nature. Gunaha, qualities. Tahi, by them. Yuktaha, associated with. Paraha, transcendental. Purusaha, the personality. Ekaha, one. Ihas, ya. Iha asya, of this material world. Date, accepts. Stihiti adyayin, for the matter of creation, maintenance, and destruction, etc. Hari, Vishnu, the personality of Godhead. Virinchi, Brahma. Hara, Lord Shiva. Iti, thus. Samjana. I'm not saying that right. Samnaha.
Samnya.
Samnya. Jai. Samnya. Different features. Shreyamsi. Ultimate benefit. Tatra, therein. Kalu, of course. Sattva. Goodness. Tanaho. Form. Nirnam. Of the human being. Siyu. Sidyahu. Derived. Haribo.
Haribol. 1 minute, Mataji. Sattvam. This is double the. I need to check this. 1.2.23. Okay. Yes, Mataji. Please recite the translation.
Okay. By his divine grace, Srila Prabhupada, the transcendental personality of Godhead is indirectly associated with the three modes of material nature, namely passion, goodness, and ignorance. And just for the material world's creation, maintenance, and destruction, he accepts the three qualitative forms of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Of these three, all human beings can derive ultimate benefit from Vishnu, the form of the quality of goodness. Haribo.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Yes. Hare Krishna, Jimmy Mataji, could you please recite after me? Jimmy Mataji, are you there?
Yes, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Sorry.
Please recite. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.24.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.24.
पार्थिवादारुणो
पार्थिवादारुणो
धूमस्तस्माद् अग्निस्त्रयीमयः
धूमस्तस्माद् अग्निस्त्रयीमयः
तमसस्तु
तमसस्तु
रजस्
रजस्तमात् तस्मात् सत्वं यद्ब्रह्मदर्शनम्.
Please recite the synonyms and translation.
Yeah. Parthivat, from earth. Darunaha, firewood. Dhumaha, smoke. Tasmat,
Parthivat.
Parthivat.
Hmm.
Parthivat. From earth. Darunaha. Firewood. Tumaha. Smoke. Tasmat. From that. Agnihi. Fire. Trai. Vedic sacrifices. Maya. Made of. Tamash. In the mode of ignorance. Tu. But. Rajaha. The mode of passion. Tasmat. From that. Sattvam. The mode of goodness. Yat. Which. Brahma. The absolute truth. Darshanam. Realization.
Hmm.
Translation. Firewood is the transformation of earth, but smoke is better than the raw wood, and fire is still better. For by fire we can derive the benefits of superior knowledge through Vedic sacrifices. Similarly, passion, rajas, is better than ignorance, tamas, but goodness, sattva, is best, because by goodness one can come to realize the absolute truth. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Similarly, passion is better than ignorance, but goodness is best. Yes. Yeah, okay. Yes, Gandharvika Mataji, could you please recite the sloka?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, sorry for yesterday due to some work, I couldn't participate, Mataji. Sorry.
Sure, Mataji, no problem. You can recite.
Okay. SP 1.2. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.25. Pejire Munayu Dagre Bhavantam Adokshajam Sattvam Vishuddham Kshemaya Kalpante Yeno Taniha.
Haribol. Yes,
Okay.
Mataji, please recite synonyms and translation.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.25. Bejire rendered service unto Monayah the sages. Atha thus Agre previously Bhagavantam unto the personality of Godhead. Adokshajam the transcendence. Sattvam existence. Vishuddham above the three modes of nature. Kshemaya to derive the ultimate benefit. Kalpante deserve. Ye those. Anu follow. Tan those. Iha in this material world. Translation given by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Previously, all the great sages rendered service unto the personality of Godhead due to his existence above the three modes of material nature. They worshipped him to become free from material conditions and thus derive the ultimate benefit. Whoever follows such great authorities is also eligible for liberation from the material world. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Keshava, want to recite? Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.26.
मुमुक्षवो घोररूपान्
मुमुक्षवो घोररूपान्
हित्वा भूतप.
You can recite after me, okay, Keshava? मुमुक्षवो घोररूपान्
मुमुक्षरो घोररूपान्
हित्वा भूतपतीनथ
हित्वा भूतपतीनथ
पतीनथ नारायण कलः शान्ता
नारायण कलशान्ता
कलाः
कलाः शान्ता
भजन्ति ह्यनसूयवः
भजन्ति ह्यनसूयवः
synonyms mumukshavo person desiring liberation ghor horrible ghastly ghor horrible ghastly rupam form like that hitva rejecting bhutapatin demigods atha for this reason narayana the personality of godhead kalaha plenary portions shanta all blissful bhajanti do worship he certainly anasuyavah non-envious. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ji.
Those who are serious about liberation are certainly non-envious and they respect all, yet they reject the horrible and ghastly forms of the demigods and worship only the all blissful forms of Lord Vishnu and his plenary portions.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Camilla Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Yes, Mataji.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.27 Rajastamaha Prakritayah
Rajastamaha Prakritayah
Samashila Bhajanti Vai
Samashila Bhajanti Vai
Pitrubhut Prajeshadin
Pitribhuta Prajashadin
Shriyaishwarya Prajepsavah.
Shreyashvarya Prajapsavaha.
Yes, Mataji, please recite the synonyms and translation.
Okay. Rajaha. Oh, okay. So, the mode of passion. Tamaha, the mode of ignorance. Prakritayaha, of that mentality. Samashilaha, of the same categories. Bhajanti, do worship by. Actually, Pitri, the forefathers, Bhuta, other living entities. Prajasa are the controllers of cosmic administrators. Shriya, enrichment. Aishvarya, wealth and power. Praja, progeny. Ib Shavaha, also desiring. Translation by Simon Grace. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Those who are in the modes of passion and ignorance worship those in the same category, namely the forefathers, other living beings, and the demigods who are in charge of cosmic activities, for they are urged by a desire to be materially benefited with women, wealth, power, and progeny. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Yes. Ishupnishad Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Yes.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.28 and 29. Vasudeva Paraveda
Vasudeva Paraveda.
Vasudeva Paramakhaha
Vasudeva Paramakhaha.
Vasudeva Parayoga
Vasudeva Parayoga.
Vasudeva Paraha Kriyaha
Vasudeva Paraha Kriyaha.
Vasudeva Param Jnanam
Vasudeva Paramganam.
Vasudeva Param Tapaha
Vasudeva Param Tapaha.
Vasudeva Paro Dharmo
Vasudeva Parodamo.
Vasudeva Paragatihi.
Vasudeva Paragatahi.
Very beautiful verse. This is.
Jai.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Please recite the synonyms and translation.
Jai. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Paraha, the ultimate goal. Vedaha, revealed scriptures. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Paraha, for worshiping. Makha, sacrifices. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Paraha, the means of attaining. Yogaha, mystic paraphernalia. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Paraha, under his control. Kriyaha, fruitive activities. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Param, the supreme Ganam, knowledge. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Param, best. Tapaha, austerity. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Paraha, superior quality. Dharmaha, religion. Vasudeva, the personality of Godhead. Paraha, ultimate. Gatahi, goal of life.
Yes.
Right. Translation. By His divine grace, Srila Prabhupada. In the revealed scriptures, the ultimate object of knowledge is Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. The purpose of performing sacrifices to please Him. Yoga is for realizing Him. All fruitive activities are ultimately rewarded by Him only. He is the supreme knowledge, and all severe austerities are performed to know Him. Religion, Dharma, is rendering loving service unto Him. He is the supreme goal of life. Hari Bo, Hare Krishna, Jai.
Hare Krishna. Okay. So, yes, Jimmy Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Yes, Mataji.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.30.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.30.
Sa evedam sasarjagre. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Sorry, my network. Sorry.
Okay.
Sa evedam sasa jagre.
Bhagvanatmamayaya.
Bhagwan Atma Mamayaya.
Not Mamayaya. Bhagwan Atma Mayaya.
Bhagwan Atma Mayaya.
Sad Asadrupaya.
Sad Asad Rupaya.
Capital U. Rupaya. Sorry. Sad Asadrupaya.
Sad Asad Rupaya.
Chasau.
Chasu.
Chasau.
Chaso.
Gunamaya Guno Vibhuhu.
Gunmaya Guno Vibhuhu.
Yes. Sa Evedam. One time I will recite whole line
Okay.
or half line 4 times. So you can recite after. Sa evedam sasarjagre.
Sa evedam sasar jagre.
Bhagwan atmamayaya.
Bhagwan Atma Mamayaya.
Bhagwan atmamayaya.
Bhagwan Atma Mayaya.
Sad one second. Sad asadrupaya chasau.
Sad Asad Rupaya Chaso.
Gunamaya guno vibhuhu.
Gunmaya Guno Vibhuhu.
Yes. Sad
Hare Krishna Mataji. Can my little daughter recite?
Sure, Mataji.
She's 6 years old. You need to help her. Chale.
Yeah,
Hare
sure.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. What is your name?
My name is Shana.
Shanaya.
Jai.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Please recite after me. Sa
Okay.
evedam
Sa evedam
sasarjagre.
tasar jagre.
भगवान् आत्ममायया
भगवान् आत्ममाया ममायया ममायया
भगवान्
भगवान्
आत्म
आत्म
मायया
मायया
सद असद रूपया
सद असद द्रुपया
चासौ
चासो
गुणमया गुणो विभुः
गुणमया गुणो विभुः गुणो विभुः.
right. Can you recite synonyms?
She won't be able to recite synonyms,
Right.
Mataji. I will do it. Because
Yeah,
she can't read all the words. She's only
yeah,
6, that's why.
yeah. Right, Mataji. So she
Hare
can just listen and recite daily one sloka, and you can read the synonyms and translation.
Yes, sure. Synonyms. Saha, that, eva, certainly, idam, this, sasaja, created, agree, before, Bhagwan,
Agree.
the personality, agree,
Mataji, this
before,
is not agree, it's agree.
agree,
Yes.
sorry, before, Bhagwan, the personality of Godhead, Atma, Mayaya, by his personal potency, Sat, the cause, Asat, the effect, Rupaya, by forms, Cha,
Rupaya.
and Rupiya,
Hmm.
by forms, Cha, and Asa, so the same Lord, Gunamaya, in the modes of material nature, Ag, Agunaha, transcendental, Vibhu, the absolute. Translation: in the beginning of material creation, the absolute personality of Godhead, Vasudeva, in his transcendental position, created energies of cause and effect by his own internal energy.
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Next. Gandharvika Mataji, could you please recite? And who has joined? Krishna Mataji also joined. Okay. Yes, Gandharvika Mataji, could you please recite the sloka?
Yes, Mataji. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.31. Daya vilashi Teshvayeshu Guneshu Gunavan Iva Anutta Pravishta Abhati Vigyaneva Vijrumpitaha.
Yes, Mataji. I will recite one time.
Okay,
Taya
Daya
vilasite vilasitets
Daya Vilasim
Taya vilasitetsva
Daya Vilasites to
eshu
taste to
Mataji, this is Sandhi is there. Taya vilasitetsva eshu
Daya Vilasiteshvayeshu
guneshu
Guneshu
gunavan iva
Gunavaniva
antah pravishta
Antaha Pravishta
abhati
Abhati
vijnanena
Vigyanena
vijrambhitah.
Vijrumpitaha.
Please
Once
recite the
more.
synonyms and translation.
Okay. Daya by them Vilashiteshu, although in the function Yeshu, these Guneshu, the modes of material nature, Gunavan, affected by the modes, Eva, as if, antaha within, pravishtaha entered into, abhati appears to be, vijnanena by transcendental consciousness, vijrumbitaha fully enlightened. Translation: after creating the material substance, the Lord Vasudeva expands himself and enters into it. And although he is within the material modes of nature and appears to be one of the created beings, he is always fully enlightened in his transcendental position.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Yes, Krishna Mataji, could you please recite after me? Hare Krishna. Krishna Mataji, are you there? Okay, she's on hold. So, might be busy. Keshava, please recite. Recite after me. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.32. Yatha
Yatha
hyavahito
Yavahito
vahanir
Vahanir
darusvaekah
Darusvaikah
swayonishu
Swayonishu
nanev bhati
Nanev Bhati
vishvatma
Vishvatma
bhuteshu
Bhuteshu
cha tatha puman.
Chatatha Puman.
Yes, synonyms. Yatha, as much as, he, exactly like, avahito, avahitah, surcharged with, vahani, fire, darus, in the wood, ekah, one, swayonishu, the source of manifestation, nanev, nana, ev, eva, nana, eva, naneva, like different entities, nana, different eva entities. Bhati, illuminates, bhati, vibhati. Vishwatma, the Lord of Paramatma. Bhuteshu, Bhuteshu, in the living entities. Bhuteshu. Cha, and tat, Tatha, in the same way. Puman, the absolute person. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ji. The Lord, as super soul, pervades all things, just as fire permeates wood, and so he appears to be of many varieties, though he is the absolute one without a second.
Mataji, I have
Yes,
one
ma'am.
question. In the what is synonyms, there is the word in Sanskrit for fire. It says bani. Do you pronounce like pani or banihi?
Vahanihi, it is teeth
Okay.
and oshto means lips. By teeth and lips, we should pronounce va. Then h, sound. Then nihi,
Oh,
vahnihi, vahni. Vahni means
oh.
fire.
Okay, but you say he, like banihi, right? Or just bani?
Vahnihi,
Okay,
vahnihi.
Mataji.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's clear, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah. Because this ha is always follow the vowel, previous vowel. We say vahni like that, but vahnihi. Like if aha is there, then vahnihi. Vahni, anilo. There are names of fire.
Mhm.
Like synonyms of fires are there, na? Vahni, anilo, like that. So, right. Yes. Kamila Mataji, could you please recite the sloka with me?
Yes, Mataji.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.33. Asau gunamayair bhavair
Asa Gunamayer पापैर्
भूतसूक्ष्मेन्द्रियात्मभिः
भूतसूक्ष्मेन्द्रियात्मभिः
स्वनिर्मितेषु
स्वनिर्मितेषु
निर्विष्टो
निर्विष्टो
भुङ्क्ते भूतेषु तद्गुणान्.
भुङ्क्ते भूतेषु तद्गुणान्.
Yes, Mataji. Please recite the synonyms and translation.
Yes, Mataji. Asau, the Paramatma. Guna Mayahi, influenced by the modes of nature. Bhavahi, naturally. Bhuta, created. Sukshma, subtle. Indriya, senses. Atmavihi, by the living beings. Swanirmiteshu, in his own creation. Nirvishtaha, entering. Bhunkte, causes to enjoy. Bhuteshu, the living in the living entities. Tat gunan, those modes of nature. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The super souls enters into the bodies of the created beings who are influenced by the modes of material nature and causes them to enjoy the effects of these modes by the subtle mind. Hare Krishna.
Super soul enters into the bodies of created beings, Paramatma, who are influenced by the modes. And okay. Yes, Mataji. Ishopnishad Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Sure. Hare Krishna.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.34. Bhavayatyesha
Bhavayatyesha
satvena
satvena
lokan vai lokabhavanah
lokan vai loka bhavanaha
लीलावतारानुरतो
રોજ છે
other devotees, please mute. You can mute and then recite. Other devotees. Somebody is 1 second.
Jai.
Jimmy Mataji. No. Whose mic is open? No. Yes, Mataji. Leelavataranuruto
Leela Vataranurato
Devatiryanradishu
Devachayan Naradishu.
Yes, Mataji. Please recite the synonyms and translation.
Jai. Bhavayati maintains Isha, all these, Satvena, in the mode of goodness, Lokan, all over the universe, Val, generally, Loka Bhavanaha, the master of all the universes, Leela, pastimes, Avatar, incarnation, Anurataha, assuming the role, Deva, the demigods, Tiryak, lower animals, Nara Adesu, in the midst of human beings. Translation by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Thus,
Okay.
the Lord of the universes maintains all planets inhabited by demigods, men, and lower animals. Assuming the roles of incarnations, he performs pastimes to reclaim those in the mode of pure goodness. Haribo.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, with this we will conclude today's session.
Jai Haribo. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So we are on time. Daily we will try to come up on 7:10 and we'll finish till 7:15, 7:50
Oh.
so that for everyone the 40-minute will be good.
Mm-hmm.
So here we will conclude the session here.
Jai Mataji.
Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you.
Bye.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Hari Haribo.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Vancha
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Your name I forgot. Jimmy Mataji, what is the name of your girl?
Shanaya. Shanaya. Shanaya.
Shanaya.
Shanaya.
Okay, Shanaya. Very nice. You can also
Haribo,
attend daily.
Sanaya. Yes.
She's too playful. She's too playful. So I was attending class. She just came. Can I please also recite?
Oh, great.
That's so wonderful. Jai.
Thank you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Hare Krishna Mataji. We'll conclude here. वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय।
Thank
Okay,
you,
Hare
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.